Hi guys, welcome back to Today's Studio. And today I'm super duper excited because I'm going to open up something what involves slime and squishies. Slimy Cafe! And you basically have some squishies what are like shaped as food and you get a bunch of toppings and everything, and I'm super duper excited to open it. So let's get opening. Let's see what's in the box. Let's go guys. Can't wait. I'm gonna open up my own cafe and it is gonna be awesome food there. Like awesome. Ooh. Wow. Just from looking here, there is a lot. Wow. More surprises. More. OMG. Holy gosh, this is crazy. Whoa. There's something in the box. It says, a gift from Smith's Toy Superstores. A Smith's gift card. I know what I'm already going to spend this on. Some more toppings for my lovely slimy cafe. This food here, you know it's just going to be excellent. And thank you so much, Smiths. So guys, this says lift me and I'm definitely going to lift it. Ooh, this says Orb Slimi Cafe. It's an apron. Some Orb Slimi Cafe desserts, please. I'm so going to use these to serve my lovely desserts because I know they're going to be lovely and yummy. So guys, I'm already in my Slimy Cafe apron and I'm getting ready to open up my cafe. It's all nice and clean. And first I just need to make some food and I'm going to show you what's on the packaging. So on this one it says bonus topping included. Ooh, Soft'n Slo Squishies. ORB Slimi Cafe. Create and decorate, and this pack's called Squeezies. Ooh, I wonder what's inside. On the back it says 1. Choose your squishies. 2. Pick your toppings. 3. Create and decorate. 4. Squeeze. That sounds super duper fun. So let's see what toppings we have. We have Jameez. Create layers of jammy jelly. Ooh, and this one's called Blueberry-icious. Ooh, this one is called Fluffiwhipz. It says decorate with twists and dollops. Ooh, and this one's called mint terrific flavor. Sounds cool. It says this one's called Swirleez. Drizzle and swirl and decorate. This one's called lemony twist. Ooh, that one sounds cool. Okay guys, let's start making our delicious food. So let's open up our first topping. And how you open it is, at the bottom it's got a little cut sign. So you'll get some scissors and cut it, and then you would have a line what you would be able to peel. And also, when you finish, you can pop it back in. Oh, I'm exhausted cooking all this food and making all these toppings. I'm really going to get selling, but first I need to ask my customers what toppings they need. And I'm going to show you what I made. I made this really yummy waffle and it's the best thing I could make. This marshmallow brownie and this banana sundae. Ooh, it's so cool. And guys, they're super squishy. They're super slow rising. OMG guys. And guys, this one came with 2 extra toppings. This one came with 1 extra topping and it just looks super duper cool. Wait, Is that a customer coming? I'm going to start making. Oh, he's here. Hi, what would you like, sir?
A mint banana sundae, please.
Ooh, that's one of our best made things. Do you want any of our drizzle or Jameez jam or Fluffiwhipz? Because if you have 2 toppings, you get it the second one for free.
Oh yes, please.
Yeah. So what ones do you want? I'm gonna get this. Stretch it. I'm gonna fold it in. I'm gonna roll it out. I'm gonna get it and we're just gonna drizzle it onto this. Ice cream on. Some jelly. Now, drizzle. Yummy. Now I'm going to put some Jameez on. Perfect. Pop it on top. Hey guys, now for the big reveal. You get it and you'll squeeze it. But first I need to show the customer. Okay customer, do you like your food?
Yes, thank you. It's lovely.
So let's turn this into a squishy masterpiece. 1, 2, 3. Oh! And guys, do you know what the best bit about this is? All your toppings, they just peel off easily. They don't stick together or anything. So you can reuse them. I'm going to separate all my things. Let's peel this off. And that's what you do. Wait, is that another customer? Hi customer!
Can I have a chocolate brownie, please?
I've heard the chocolate brownies are really nice. And I might have had a bit of a try when I was cooking them. So I'm going to pop it on. I'll spread it out so it's every bite she gets. Pop it on. Get it on. Pop it in. Pop some like that. And then I'm going to pop this on. Anyway, because you're a brand new customer, you can get it for $3. Anyway, I'm going to smash it, but I can't tell the customer. So guys, let's get squishing. 3, 2, 1. Oh guys, let's unpeel all this food. I had such a good day working on this cafe. Okay, that's all my toppings packed back up. Now all I need to do is pop it in my bag, ready for my new day at work tomorrow. So guys, that's the end of the video. If you like this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up, comment down below. I'd love if you subscribe, press the notification button and share with family and friends. But before I say bye guys, let's squeeze it. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Squeeze! Squeeze! Oh yeah, it's so good.